Hello guys, I hope you all are doing great. In this video I would like to show you the best basic HomeKit accessory which you can buy today for just 20 bucks. Nanoleaf Essentials HomeKit Smart Light Bulb. It's kinda long name for such simple and useful product. Nanoleaf light bulbs are a much more affordable alternative to Philips Hue, and it's brighter and more colorful too. It's a HomeKit compatible light that needs no extra accessories or bridges to make it work. Just replace your standard light bulb with a Nanoleaf HomeKit compatible light bulb, configure it in the HomeKit app, and you're ready to play with your new accessory. The package looks very nice. It's a simple paper box with just the light bulb inside and a pairing code for HomeKit app. You will need to use this code to configure your light bulb. Let's go through some key features. This light bulb is compatible with Apple HomeKit, Siri, GoogleHome App, Google Assistant. It has a native Nanoleaf app that will unlock even more customization and personalization options. It has 16 million colors, 25,000 hours of lifespan, from 1% to 100% dimming. It's very bright, more than enough, and it has low energy usage, A+. And also it has Bluetooth 5.0. Setting up process is super easy. Just replace your previous simple light bulb with this new one, switch on lights manually in your room. Then, in the HomeKit app, you will need to scan your pairing code. Wait a little bit and then just follow the instructions. After ending setting up in the HomeKit app, you can download Nanoleaf app from the App Store to unlock some more advanced features. Me personally, I'm using just the HomeKit app. It's more than enough for me. But I still have Nanoleaf app just in case one day I would like to play with it a little bit. The Nanoleaf bulb works really quick, responding to commands instantly. But in my case, on a Bluetooth connection, however, there is some delay, which is not too significant. It took no more than a fraction of a second to pick up a command provided by me in the same room or within range. Both Siri and Google Assistant can be used to control the Nanoleaf Essentials via voice commands or manually via HomeKit app directly on the iPhone or Apple Watch. Now, as I finish setting up and configuring my lights, let me show you how it works and how I can control light in my home with my Apple Watch and Siri. It's super fun. If you are feeling adventurous and creative, you can use the Nanoleaf app to create your own scenes. You can download different custom scenes as well. The Nanoleaf Essentials can be a nice beginning and introduction into the HomeKit world. This accessory is not very expensive and everyone can afford it. Anyway, everyone uses light bulbs, so it's a nice product to start with. Some other HomeKit accessories might be optional, but this one is a must-have. For almost the same price, you can buy your standard light bulbs, but for just a little bit more, you can have the Nanoleaf Essentials, which offer you much more choices and much more personalization options like different colors and voice control. Sometimes when you're laying down in your bed and you're very tired, you just don't have enough energy to wake up and turn off lights in your room. You can just say to Siri, "Hey Siri, turn off light please." It's so cool and useful. Nanoleaf Essentials provides a seamless introduction to smart lighting. Unique multi-phased bulb design and the purest color performance create a stunning illumination in your room. High brightness and endless colors will take your space from work mode to game night, fun and instantly. Customize and control through the HomeKit app, Nanoleaf app, controller or voice commands. Should you buy the Nanoleaf Essentials Smart Bulb? If you're looking for an affordable HomeKit-enabled smart lighting system, then yes, it's one of the best basic HomeKit accessories on the market today. I absolutely love it. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more future videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you later on YouTube. Bye bye.